Okay.
All right, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our math class. All right, everybody get your math textbook and open on page number 66. Get your math textbook and open on page number 66. Foxy Fox, 66.
66.
All right, so class, we are already in chapter 5, which is multiply up to 100,000. Okay, are you ready? Again, open your book on page number 66. Foxy Fox 66.
Teacher, I'm not ready. Wait a second.
Okay.
Okay, teacher, go.
All right, so I guess everyone are ready. Okay, class. So again, our lesson this afternoon is all about multiplication. Okay, multiplying tens, hundreds, and thousands by a single digit number. All right. So in your second grade, you learn about multiplication tables of number up to 10, right? So let us now learn to multiply tens, hundred, and thousands by single digit number. Okay, so here are the examples, class. We have examples, letter A, multiply 20 by 4. Example, letter B, multiply 300 by 4. Letter C, multiply 5,000 by 4. Letter D, multiply 400 by 8. And letter E, multiply 6,000 by 7. So those are the different examples, okay? Now let's try to see or to find out the answers of this following example. So here's the solution for letter A, okay? So for letter A, class, we have multiply 20 by 4. All right, so look at this group of number discs to help us multiply. So this one, what do you call this? This one is number disc, okay? Number discs. So this number right here are called number discs. All right, so here's the solution. First is we have to write the number like this. So 20 times 4. So 20 times 4 is also the same or equals as 2 tens by 4. Okay, so there are 2 tens in 20. So all we have to do is to do like this. 2 multiply by 10 and then multiply by 4 because we have 2 tens, right? So 2 multiply by 10 and then multiply by 4. Now let's try to rearrange the numbers. So what we're going to do here is we will put the 4 over here after 2. All right. So that's 2 times 4 times 10. All right. So again, we put the 4 over here and then the 10 over here. So we rearrange the numbers. Okay. So first is we have to multiply 2 times 4, that's 8, and then just copy 10 down here. So now we can multiply 8 times 10, that's 80. So it's still the same, like this. All right, so 20 times 4 is equals to 80. All right, what about this one? I have 30 multiplied by 3. So what we're going to do here, we will write 3 tens, right? 3 tens, and then times 4. And then 3 times 10 times. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not 3 because I'm sorry. This one is 4. This one is 3. All right, 1 second. So 3 tens times 3. So we will write like this: 3 and then times tens times 3. Okay, so now let's rearrange the numbers. So we will just copy 3 times, and then the 3, and then the 10. And then 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. And then just copy the 10 times 10. And then 9 times 10, that's 90. So it's the same. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No,
Yes,
I
I
don't.
do, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
All right.
Yes,
Another example class. I have 40 times 2. Again, it's the same as 2. Oh, no, it's not 2. It's 4. 4 tens. Shemai, yes or no? 4 tens. And then
Yes, teacher.
times 2. Okay. And then what's next? Topai, what's next? What's next? What's next, class? What's next? Four tens times 2. So what's next here? Bye-bye. 4. Okay. Times what? Times what number?
10.
10. Okay. And then next.
2.
2. Okay. Now, let's rearrange. Okay. Rearrange the number. Okay. What's the number over here?
4.
4. Okay. Next.
2.
2. And then 10. All right. And then what's next?
18.
8. And then times 10.
10.
So what's the answer?
80.
80. Okay. So 40 times 2, that's 80. Okay. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. Yes, I
Okay.
do.
All right. One more example now. One more example. I have 60 times 2. So how are you gonna write this? Who wants to answer? Anyone? Raise your hand. Class 60 multiplied by 2.
10.
6 tens
2.
times 2. Okay. What's next?
60.
6 and then
10.
times 10 and then
2. And 2.
times 2. Okay. Now rearrange the number. Rearrange the number. What comes first?
2. 6.
6. Okay.
2.
Next.
10.
Times 2
6.
times 10. Okay.
2.
Now what's next?
10. 10. 6.
Are you sure about this?
No, no, no.
Are you sure?
10. 10.
So that's 12, right? And then,
12.
so what is
2.
12 times 10?
12 กับ 10 0
Class, this is actually right. So 6 times 2 equals 12, right? And then bring down 10 times 10. And that is the answer. Twelve multiplied by 10. Twelve multiplied by 10. Anyone?
120.
Okay, so that's 120. So 60 multiplied by 2, that's 120.
หนูตอบได้แค่ข้างบน
Okay. All right. Now let's proceed to letter B. Okay, letter B example. So multiply 300 by 4. All right. So here 300 by 4. So first is we have to write 3 and then the word hundreds. Okay. 3 and then hundreds times 4. And then we just copy number 3 and then the number 100 and then times 4. Okay. And then rearrange the number. So we put the number 4 over here and then 100 over here. So 3 multiplied by 4, that's 12. Okay. 3 times 4, that's 12. And then just copy times 100. Now 12 times 100, and that is 1,200. So 300 multiplied by 4, that's 1,200. Okay, let me give you another example. What about this one? I have 200 times 4. So first is we have to copy
200
and then the word hundreds. 8
and 4.
UNDREDS. And then times
D.
4. Okay.
Hey, no. 4.
All right. And then let's copy number 2. And then the
2.
numeral. And then the numeral 100.
100. And
And
4.
then times 4. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Rearrange. Salap. Rearrange number 4 and 100. Okay. So 2 times 4 times
4 and 100.
100. Okay. Now, let's multiply 2 by 4. What is 2 multiplied by 4? That's 8.
13.
That's 8. 2 multiplied by 4,
Oh.
that's 8.
Sorry,
Okay.
teacher.
It's okay. And then times 100. So what is 8 multiplied by 100?
800.
800. Okay. So 200 multiplied by 4 is equals to 800. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do, teacher.
Yes, I
Okay. Now let's have another example. Okay. I have
I'm ready.
I have 500 multiply by 3. So what is the first thing?
500 and T.
First is we have to write 3, and then the word 100.
And 5.
Hundreds, and then multiply by 3. What's next? Popeye, next.
T. T and 100.
3
And T.
multiplied by 100 and multiply by
And T. T.
3.
T.
All right, next.
T and T.
Michay,
100.
I'm sorry. This is 5 na. I'm sorry, class. This is 5. Michay 3. I'm sorry. This is 5.
Sorry,แปลว่าขอโทษมันผิด
I'm sorry. This is 5. All right.
It's
So
okay,
5,
teacher.
5 multiplied by 3.
5 and T.
Multiplied by 100. Okay. So 5 times 3, that's 15. And then just copy 100. And then 15 times 100. So that's 1,000.
1,500.
Okay, very good. All right, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I
ทำไม
don't.
แม่นอนพื้นอ่ะ Yes, I do.
Okay,
Yes,
very
I
good.
do, teacher.
Okay. All right. Now, class, let's proceed to letter C. All right, letter C. So we have 5,000 multiplied by 4. So here how it goes. Just write 5 and then the word thousands and then times 4. So write number 5 times numeral 1,000 times 4. Now rearrange. Change number 4 and number 1,000. Change their place. So 5 times 4 times 1,000. And then 5 times 4, that's 20. And then 20 times 1,000, that's 20,000. Okay. All right, let me give you another example. I have 2,000 multiply by 3.
200.
So you have to put 5 and then the word thousands.
200.
Okay, thousands.
And T.
And 3, okay, times 3. And then what's next? So that's 2.
2.
And then
1000 and T.
1000 and times 3. Okay, next. So that's 2. Just change the 3 and 1000. So 3 will come first and then 1000. All right. And then 2
100.
times 3, that's 6. And then times 1000. What's the answer?
100. 6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
So 2,000 times 3, that's 6,000. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
All right, now
Yes,
letter
I
D.
do.
Letter D. It's the same. All right, so we have 400 multiplied by 8. So we just have to write 400 and then 8. And then 4 times the number 100 or the numeral 100. And then just copy times 8. So rearrange the number. So change number 8 and number 10's place, okay? At 100's place. So you just have to change it. So 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 100. So 4 times 8, that's 32, times 100, that's 3,200. So 400 multiplied by 8, it's 3,200. Okay, letter E. 6,000 multiplied by 7. Okay, so just write number 6 and then the word thousands and then multiply by 7. So 6 multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by 7. So change the position of 7 and 1,000. So 6 and then 7 and then 1,000. So 6 times 7, that's 42. And then times 1,000. So that's 42,000. All right. Now, answer the following problem, class. Let's try to answer this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for number 1, multiply 20 by 3. Multiply 300 by 5, multiply 4,000 by 6, multiply 600 by 8, and number 5, multiply 5,000 by 7. I will give you 5 minutes. Hanati. Chapter, you answer this one. 20 multiplied by 3. Let me know if you're done, okay? Just say, teacher, I'm done. Where's your pencil?
Teacher. I'm done.
Okay, very good, Pot.
Teacher, I'm done. Teacher, I'm done.
Very good.
I finished already.
Very good. Twenty multiplied by 3. 20 multiply.
Multiplying by 3.
20 multiplied by 3. Look. 20 multiplied by 3. 5.
20 คูณ
Huh?
60
Oh, okay. You copy. Okay, you write your answer here. Okay, and then next, number 2, 300
by 5.
multiplied by 5.
Teacher and
Very good, Kaimok.
teacher.
3 minutes, Samnati. Class today,
I'm done.
okay, class today, we will finish early now because we will prepare for the activity this afternoon. So we will finish.
Teacher, I'm done.
Very good, Tonkao. Today we will finish early. We will just have 30 minutes of our class. Are you ready for your free day today? Free day this afternoon?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
What do you want to choose? What do you want to, what are your interests?
Pizza.
TikTok?
Pizza.
Pizza? Oh, nerd, love pizza. Okay.
Pizza. TikTok.
Who likes TikTok?
I like me. Teacher, em TikTok star.
Mm-hmm.
I Facebook.
Oh, 300 by 5. What's the answer?
1,500.
Oh,
And done.
very good. Next, 4,000 by 6.
Teacher, you TikTok star.
Chai, yes. TikTok stars.
For me?
La Lisa love me, la Lisa love me. Hey, call me la Lisa.
And teacher, cha.
Yeah.
Teacher is
I have a
music
crown.
Lisa.
I have a crown. Look.
Teacher, you can sing a song. Teacher, it's the king.
Okay, 1 minute. Ning
Yes,
Nati.
teacher. You...
Ning Nati, 1 minute.
I'm sorry, don't leave me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, time is up. Modena class. Okay, now let's answer now. Let's answer your word. All right, so number 1, multiply 20 by 3. What's the answer?
60.
60. Okay, check your answer. Number 2, multiply 300 by 5.
1,005.
Again?
1,500.
All right, so that's 1,500. What about for number 3? Multiply 4,000 by 6.
24,000. 24,000.
Okay, very good. So that's 24,000. And number 4, multiply 600 by 8.
4,800.
4,800. And number 5, 5,000 multiplied by 7.
35,000.
Okay, so that's 35,000. Okay. All right, so class, that's all for today now. We will finish our lesson early today because we will prepare for the free day. All right.
Teacher Maria,
Yes.
you
Yes, Pot?
have a homework or no homework?
Yes, I have a homework. Okay. So your homework is on page, let me check. Just give me 1 second now. Okay, your homework is on page number 46. Page number 46, math workbook. Math workbook, page 46. That's your homework.
Yes or no?
Yes, 46. CC พกใช่ไหม ภาษาไทย
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
I will assign this to the classroom. All right. Okay, I think that's all for today, everyone. Thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher Maria.
Thank you. Bye.
See you again next week.
See you. Bye.
Teacher, see you next week.